Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Shopee affiliate program, and maybe you're wondering, is it legit? Can you really get paid out? How much do they pay out? Should you try and become a Shopee affiliate marketer, or are there better ways to make money online? Let's check it out. All right. And anytime, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of ways on how you can make money online all over the world, right? And there are some great strategies, some so-so ones. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time. So let's check out Shopee to find out whether their affiliate program is worth your time, or are there better ways to make money online, okay? Now, Shopee is a huge e-commerce website, mainly based in Southeast Asia, all right? And you can basically come on here and recommend their products, and when somebody buys through your link, Shopee will pay you a commission. It's really, really cool, all right? So if you're watching this video, you've probably bought something from Shopee before, all right? This is the same as Amazon, all right? So Amazon's exactly the same. If you go to Amazon.com, you can become an affiliate, and when somebody buys a product through your affiliate link, then Amazon will pay you a commission, okay? It's exactly the same thing, and it's really, really cool. Amazon, Shopee, affiliate marketing is a $12 billion industry. A lot of people don't know about it, but it's a very cool way to make money. But let's find out whether Shopee's affiliate program specifically is worth your time, or maybe there are better ways to make money online out there, right? So if you want to become an affiliate, you just come to Google and you type out Shopee affiliate, okay? And you'll see, depending on your country, so you could be based in Malaysia, you could be based in Thailand, you could be based in Singapore, you could be based in Vietnam. They've got affiliate programs for different countries, mainly in Southeast Asia, all right? Now, you click on the link right there, and it'll lead you to this page right here, okay? Now, what you want to do is you want to fill out your details. So are you an individual? Are you an enterprise, right? Did you, register your business, your phone number, your email, that kind of thing, and just kind of go through the process, and you will get set up with your Shopee affiliate account, okay? Now, once you've done that, what you need to do is, if you want to promote a program, or product, right? So let's just say you decide, you want to promote, maybe a baby's toy, right? So let's have a look at some of the baby's toys right here. Maybe these cute little toddler toys right here. Okay, super cute, right? Very cheap, 10 ringgit to 13 ringgit. You just, go ahead and grab your link right here. You would copy it. Okay, you would log into your Shopee affiliate portal, and I'm just going to show you a video that shows you how to do this. You would go down to custom link, and you would drop your custom link in here to get your little link, and then that is basically your affiliate link. Now, whenever someone buys from that specific affiliate link, okay, then you will get credited that sale, and Shopee will pay you a commission. Now, the big question though is, how much will you make in commissions? That's really, really important, okay? We'll cover that towards the end of this video, so make sure you stick around and watch this entire video, all right? Now, let's talk about how you can actually promote it, because look, it's very easy to find products. It's very easy to grab your link. It's very easy to become an affiliate of Shopee wherever you live in Southeast Asia, right? But the big problem is how do you promote your products? How are people going to know that you are promoting this toddler, shoe, right? Or how are people going to know whether you're promoting, this this kid's underwear here, or maybe these training pants right here, or these cute little slippers right here, or maybe these, SpongeBob characters right here? How do people know that you're promoting this kind of stuff, right? Well, it's all about marketing, okay? Now, the easiest way for you to get started marketing is to go onto one of the free social media platforms: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts. These are some of the best ways to do it. But a really cool way to do e-commerce style stuff is to go to TikTok. Okay, so wherever you live in Asia, right, or wherever you live in the world, you can use these strategies for wherever you live in the world. I would recommend going to TikTok, starting a channel, and basically you would start a channel where you review products. That's very, very important, okay? The easiest way to do this is to review the actual product. So let's just say you decide that you want to sell kids shoes, okay? You would probably need to get a pair of these kids shoes, and you would review it on, your TikTok channel. Okay, so you would just take that little product and then you would review it exactly like these people are doing it right here, right? So I just typed out hedge clippers, right? And you can find a whole bunch of people just using the hedge clippers, right? Using the hedge clippers right here. They're super fun videos. You can do little videos where it's like super fast, like that is forwarded, or you can get someone just following you around using that particular thing, like this guy right here, right? Or if you're reviewing, these shoes right here, you can actually get a pair of those shoes and just record them and say, hey, these are really cool. I'm gonna put them onto my son or my daughter right now. They come in different sizes, different colors. They're really, really good quality. Just do a quick review and then upload it onto TikTok, right? Now, the very important thing that you have to understand about this strategy strategy is that it's about being consistent, right? So if you make one video a week, then you're not gonna gain any traction. This is one of those things where you have to make one video every single day. All right, so if you want to make money as an affiliate, especially on promoting Shopee products or Amazon products, and you want to use a free content strategy, which is what this is, right? Uploading free content onto big social platforms like YouTube Shorts, like Instagram Reels, like TikTok Reels and things like that. You need to create good content every single day. All right, that's how you build up your channel. That's how the algorithm knows that you're a serious player, because remember, there are millions of people creating TikTok videos, right? But TikTok is still a really, really great place for you to create video right now. So I would highly recommend it if you want to use this particular strategy. Okay, and you can search TikTok for anything. We can look at kids shoes. Let's see what pops up when we type out kids shoes, and I'm sure that there are tons of people making videos on kids shoes. Look at this. And because I'm based in Malaysia, right, you're gonna see some videos in Malay, okay, which is cool, right? And then you can type it in Malay, you can type it in English, it doesn't really matter, but you get the idea, and you can model what these people are doing. Look at this, 50,000 views on this video. Let's check this video out, okay? All right, so they do a quick little review right there. I mean, it's so easy. It's a 1 minute video. They're not even talking on the video. All right, it's pretty cool stuff, right? And then the thing is, you would then go to so then what happens, right? So somebody watches your TikTok video, but how do they buy the product? Where do you drop your affiliate link, right? Well, you would basically drop it onto your actual profile. So she's got a profile right here. She calls it Mama Twin Shop, right? But the strange thing is she doesn't actually have a link to her shop, which is a bit weird, right? So what I would do is below here, you would basically put a link, okay? Now there's a few ways that you can do this. You can either put your Shopee link, this link that you created right here, all right? So you would put your Shopee affiliate link, you can put it directly in your bio, all right? Or you can use different software like Stan Store. Let me just show you Stan Store. Okay, Stan Store. This is a cool little program that you can use where you can create basically a really, really cool profile and sell directly onto your store, right? Or you can use another one called Linktree, okay? And Linktree is basically, they're all bio tools, okay? Where you can basically have little bios like this, right? So you can have your face there, and then you can have multiple links. You can send them to like an autumn collection, a kids shoe collection, and then you can have all your affiliate links on there, right? You can have like kids shoes, you can have kids toys, you can have blah 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 blah, and then lead them to all the different links. After that, that's probably the best way to do this. And then what people will do is they will jump onto your profile link right here. They'll click onto your link. And then it will lead them basically maybe to Linktree, right? You got to pay for this, unfortunately, but it's not expensive, especially if you want to build a nice business, right? And then you can categorize everything here: kids shoes, kids toys, clip hedges or whatever. Pick a niche. I think that's important, all right? And then you can sell the different products on there. When people click on the link and they buy through your Shopee link, then you generate a commission. That's as simple as that. Now here is the big thing. Let's talk about now how much does Shopee really pay, okay? Because look, if they pay you very, very little money, then you have to ask yourself, is this really a viable way to make money? So let's check this out, okay? Now, with the use of imoney.my, basically, Shopee pays between 4.2% and 9.1% commissions, okay? That's very, very low commissions. Just to give you an idea, slightly higher than Amazon though, right? So if you went to the Amazon Associates program, and I've reviewed Amazon as well, you can check it out. Just type out Amazon Associates review and you'll find my video, right? But Amazon pays between 3 and 5% commissions whenever you do the same strategy. When you grab a link for any product that you want on Amazon and somebody buys through your link, you only get paid 3 to 5% commissions. It's super low. Now Shopee pays a little bit more, 4.2 to 9.1%, but it's still very low. Let's check out some examples right here, right? So let's just say you sold this right here, these shoes, okay? Let's say it's 10 ringgit, okay? 10 ringgit, you sold one pair, right? Let's just say you make 4.2% commissions. What's that? That is basically 4.2% commissions. That's 4 ringgit and 20 cents. That, sorry, no, that's a mistake. $10 times 4.2%. Sorry, you made 42 cents commission. Okay, let's be clear on that. Let's pick a slightly more expensive product, right? So let's just say you sold, I don't know, this this one here, the Puspa Budak suit. Okay, so it's basically a kid's suit, right? It's $23.99 times 4.2%. You basically made 1 ringgit, $1, 1 ringgit, okay, on this. It's crazy little. That means you have to sell. How many of these would you need to sell before you could make a full-time income on Shopee as a Shopee affiliate? Well, let's do the math. You know, sure, you can sell some things that are more expensive. Maybe you should sell electronics and stuff like that. So you could do electronic reviews. I would recommend doing that because then you can make a little bit more money. But if you were to sell stuff like this, like, you know, products that cost 10 ringgit, 20 ringgit, 30 ringgit, again, depending on what country you live in, maybe Singapore is, you know, it's more, right? But still, because the commission rates are so low, right? 4.2% to 9.1%, you're really not making that much. You know, it's like it's 1 ringgit per 24 ringgit sale. That's so little. How many units of this would you need to sell before you made 5,000 ringgit a month? Well, you'd have to sell 5,000 units, right? Because you're only making 1 ringgit commissions per unit that you sell. It's super low, all right? So that's why, even though it's cool that you can become an affiliate of Shopee, right? And you know, wherever you're based in Southeast Asia, I still think that because the commission rates are so ridiculously low, this is why I don't like the Amazon Associates affiliate program, and that's why I don't like the Shopee affiliate program either. Okay, and here's the reason why they pay such low commissions. The reason why they pay such low commissions is because you're selling physical products. You see, when you decide to sell through Shopee or Amazon or any of these networks where you're selling basically e-commerce stuff, which is physical, right? So it doesn't matter, women's bags, men's bags, Muslim fashion, you know, books and hobbies, sports and outdoor, computers and accessories, and we'll check out some more expensive products in a second just to do the math, right? But the reality is that there's a manufacturing cost that goes behind the manufacturing of these products, right? That's why they can't pay you huge commissions, because it's going to eat into their profit, all right? That's why when you sell physical stuff, the commission rates are so low. That's why Amazon commission rates are so low, right? Now, I don't like selling physical stuff. I like selling affiliate products that are digital courses, okay? So that's a big difference. So a digital course is, let's just say, a mindset course, right? A weight training course, a course that teaches you how to cook, a course that teaches you how to jump higher, a course that teaches you how to do a backflip, right? You know, there are many courses online these days where you consume them digitally. So it costs nothing to produce them, just time and experience, right? And talent, okay? But it doesn't cost anything to manufacture that particular course per se, right? Like, you know, to manufacture a car, it's a lot of money. To manufacture an air fryer, it's a lot of money. That's why they can't pay you these big commissions. But with digital courses, they can pay you up to 50%, 60%, 70% commissions. All right, that's why you can make so much more money selling digital courses. That's what I like to do. Okay, so let's take another example. Let's just have a look at home appliances, because home appliances are probably going to be a bit more expensive, right? But the thing is, they're still not that expensive. I mean, look at this, right? If you were to, you know, buy the Panasonic meat grinder right here, okay, the Panasonic meat grinder, let's just say at the higher level, it's 75 ringgit, right? So what's the commission that you make on that? 75 ringgit times 4.2% is only 3 ringgit and 15 cents. Imagine that. You just sold a Panasonic meat grinder. Somebody bought from your affiliate link because you created, you know, some cool review on the meat grinder on your TikTok channel, and then they buy it for 75 ringgit, and Shopee only pays you 3 ringgit and 15 cents. How many meat grinders do you need to sell before you can make, let's say, 10,000 ringgit? Because that's a nice amount of money, right? 10,000, maybe, you know, you should be making way more than 10,000 ringgit, especially online. But let's pick a nice number, right? 10,000 ringgit. So 10,000, 1, 2, 3, divided by 3 ringgit and 15 cents. That's 3,174 meat grinders that you have to sell. Now let me ask you a question, right? Even if you had a really big TikTok channel and you were crushing it, right? Do you think that you could really sell 3,174 meat grinders every single month in order for you to make 10,000 ringgit or whatever it is, you know, convert it into your currency, right? No, it's really difficult to do that. And that's why I don't like promoting physical stuff as an affiliate from any physical affiliate network. Whether it's Shopee, whether it's Lazada, whether it's Amazon, it's crap, okay? Because the commission rates are just too low, right? Now, let me put it this way. it's still a cool way to make a little bit of extra money, right? Don't get me wrong. But you have to understand the math here. And when you do the math, it doesn't really make sense because your commissions are extremely low. We're talking about $1, converted to whatever currency you're in, okay? $1, 1 ringgit, 3 ringgit, $3, it's the same thing. It's super duper low. You should be making hundreds of dollars in commission for every sale rather than 1 ringgit, 3 ringgit, 10 ringgit. You get what I mean, right? Now, all right. So here's what I think, right? I just showed you the strategy on how you can become a Shopee affiliate if you want to. But because this is a review video, I would not recommend this strategy. I wouldn't recommend. It's not that Shopee is bad. Shopee, I think, is a great marketplace. I buy a lot of stuff from Shopee. I mean, half my house is from buying stuff from Shopee. Literally buying stuff, every single day, every few days. It's great as a consumer. But as a business, if you want to start making money on the side, selling affiliate programs, I don't recommend that you join the Shopee affiliate program. All right? I don't recommend you join the Lazada affiliate program. I don't recommend you join the Amazon affiliate program. Why? Because all of these affiliate programs are selling physical products, and when you sell a physical product as an affiliate, they pay very, very low commissions. 3%, 5% on Amazon, and on Shopee, 4% to 9%. It's super low, all right? You need to sell in US dollars wherever you live in the world. It doesn't matter. If you live in Asia, great, because the US dollar is strong. If you live in the US, great, because the commission rates are high. It doesn't really matter, all right? Sell in US dollar, and also pick digital products to sell, because there's no delivery, there's no shipping and handling because it's digital, it gets emailed to you directly. There's no manufacturing costs, which means that they can pay much, much higher, right? 50, 60, 70% commissions. There are some affiliate programs that pay out 100% commissions on the front end, and then they pay less on the back end. That's how they make money, right? But imagine making 80% commission, 70% commission on a US dollar product. That's how you make big money. Imagine making $100 commissions, $500 commissions, $1,000 commissions. Now, this is possible when you do it correct. So I think that Shopee is a great e-commerce website, but as an affiliate program, I think it's crap. All right, because you're gonna make way too little money, and you'd have to sell literally thousands and thousands of products every single month if you even want to come anywhere close to making full-time income, so that you can actually quit your job wherever you live in the world, or if you live in Asia, right? So that's what I would say. So that's my Shopee review, Shopee affiliate program review, right? If you still want to do it though, then you can check out Shopee affiliate right here, and you can sign up for them if you would like. All right, you probably won't want to now, but if you want to, you can check it out there. All right, now on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, right? All over the world. Some of them really good, some of them so-so, a lot of them not very good. But out of all of them, I've distilled all of these strategies into one strategy where I think an absolute beginner who has never made money online, it doesn't matter where you're based in the world, you could be based in the West, you could be based in Asia, you could be based in Europe, in Africa, it doesn't matter, right? I still think that internationally, this is the best way to go from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 US dollars a month, and much, much more, depending on how much effort you put into the strategy, right? And if you would like to check out that strategy, no matter where you are in the world, I've got a free masterclass that goes through it in detail, step by step. If you want to check that out, click the link below, and I'll send you that free masterclass, and you can check it out if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of the Shopee affiliate program. All the best to you. See you on another video review. Take care.